Thetawave AI is the latest AI software that's been making waves across the digital marketing community, and in this review, I'll walk you through the 7 crucial things you need to know before diving into it. Whether you're new to Thetawave or considering it for your business, this video will give you all the details you need to decide if it's the right tool for you. First off, Thetawave AI brings something new to the table, blending cutting-edge machine learning with real-time data analytics to help businesses automate and optimize their digital marketing. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a look. The software offers powerful automation capabilities, allowing you to streamline tasks that usually take up a lot of your time. From content creation to targeted marketing campaigns, Thetawave uses AI to analyze data and suggest actions that will bring in more leads and conversions. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by manual marketing efforts, this software could be a game changer. One of the standout features is its ability to predict customer behavior. Through machine learning, it analyzes patterns in your audience's activity and suggests personalized marketing strategies. This not only saves time, but helps you target the right people with the right content at the right time, which can drastically increase engagement and sales. But it doesn't stop there. Thetawave's intuitive interface makes it incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Everything is laid out in a simple, easy-to-understand format, so you can quickly access the tools you need and start implementing your marketing strategies with minimal learning curve. Now, let's talk about integrations. Thetawave AI integrates seamlessly with other platforms like Google Ads, Facebook, and CRM systems. This makes it easy to bring all your marketing efforts under one roof and get a holistic view of your campaign's performance. Another point that stands out is Thetawave's customer support. The team behind this software is highly responsive and knowledgeable, offering great support whether you need technical assistance or just some guidance on how to make the most of the platform. However, no software is perfect. While Thetawave is powerful, its pricing can be a bit steep for small businesses just getting started. The good news is that it offers a free trial, so you can test the software before committing to a plan. That way you can see firsthand how well it works for your business. The last crucial thing to know is that Thetawave is constantly evolving. The developers are committed to improving the platform, so you can expect regular updates and new features that will keep the software at the forefront of AI technology. So, should you try Thetawave AI? If you're looking for an all-in-one AI solution that can help you automate tasks, predict customer behavior, and optimize your marketing strategies, it's definitely worth considering. But, as always, make sure it aligns with your business needs. You can try Thetawave for free through the link in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've curated a list of the best AI software that you can try, and Thetawave is one of them. Check out the description for more AI tools that can help you grow your business faster. And don't forget to hit that link to get started with Thetawave AI today.